I'm warmed up now. Welcome to the next Build and Bake. Today we are going to do some
Pillow fight! Ooh, yeah.
I was thinking more like pillow talk.
Oh, guys want to do that every day.
Don't they?
We just wanted to show you guys a little something fun that you could build and bake for your significant other for Valentine's Day to show how much you love them.
We're gonna make one pillow with an X and another with an O.
Very nice. Instead of just giving you a romantic bouquet of flowers, I'm going to give you a romantic bouquet of edible flowers made of strawberries, dipped in chocolate.
You had me at chocolate.
I have a feeling I'll finish mine before you finish yours.
Oh, because that's always how it goes.
I'll pace myself.
Okay.
Like every good man, I'll pace myself.
Right? Had to go there. All right, let's get started.
Get your pillow off of my baking space.
Get your strawberry in my belly.
Don't touch my stuff. All right, here we go.
Okay, ready.
I have my chocolate over here that I'm already melting. Put some water in a pot, bring it to a simmer, put a bowl on top, and then melt your chocolate. This is how you test if it's good.
Hey, I want to try some. I have to test some more.
More?
Oh gosh, that's so good.
Hey, get back to work.
Okay. So I have a 16-inch square pillow here, and usually you think you'd want to cut your fabric a little larger, but this time I'm not going to because I want it to fill out the pillowcase more. Cut out 2 of these, and I'm going to cut out an X and an O, which I'm going to put on the lighter fabric here.
I have a question for you, Linda.
Yes.
Does this say I love you?
That says I love you forever and ever and ever.
Once I get all the strawberries covered in chocolate, I'm going to put them in the fridge to let them cool a little bit.
Wait, what? You're eating again? This is my favorite part.
This is my favorite part.
That's also my favorite part.
Chocolate has cooled.
And then now I'm just gonna stuff the pillow in.
You need to be a real man to be able to squish a pillow like that. Oh, you even put a zipper on it.
Yep.
She's good.
Right.
So what I want to do is take all these chocolate-covered strawberries and put them in this vase.
In my belly?
In your belly as well. I'm actually going to use marshmallows.
Those
Fill
are
the jar.
biggest marshmallows I've ever seen. Look, it's like the size of my head.
Add a little bit of color, and it also lifts the skewers up a little bit in the vase so they can actually hang out like a bouquet of flowers.
Did you know that when Drew was younger, he wanted to be a flower man?
Not a florist, a flower man.
Flower man.
And then the finishing touch.
Thank you. Ta-da!
Not too bad.
Ooh, very nice.
I like that. Those look really good. I hope you guys have enjoyed our video. Share if you liked it. And I want you guys to share with us everything you're doing for Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's.
This is for you.
Thank you. Ooh.
I dripped chocolate on your pillow.